Topline 24/7 AI is an exciting new feature in Topline that transforms your conversation AI bot into a full-time assistant. This tutorial will guide you through the process of implementing Topline 24/7 AI in the system so you can enhance your customer interactions and streamline communication. Step 1. Accessing Topline 24/7 AI. Log in to your Topline account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located on the left side of the screen. Click on Conversation AI. In the Bot Settings tab, you'll now see the option for Autopilot mode. Toggle this feature on to activate it for your bot. Step 2. Channel integration. Topline 24/7 is compatible with 3 major communication channels: SMS, Facebook, and Instagram. Configure these channels within the Bot Settings tab to align with your preferred communication methods. Step 3. Appointment booking. Pick a calendar. This will be the scheduling link that will be used in the bot replies. Make sure you have them created previously. If you don't create one, add a conversation flow. Add the information the AI bot will ask before sharing the booking link with the contact. Those can be names, phone numbers, emails, and more. Step 4. Advanced settings. For advanced users who want to fine-tune the Topline 24/7 AI experience, explore these settings. Configure the name your Topline 24/7 AI bot will use when interacting with users. This personalization can help create a more engaging and branded experience. Customize the time your bot waits before responding to multiple messages from a contact. You can select a delay ranging from 1 second to 5 minutes, with a default of 2 minutes. Set a limit on the number of messages the bot can send to a single contact within a conversation. Once this limit is reached, the bot will temporarily pause for that contact. Reactivate the bot by marking the conversation as read, with the default limit set at 10 messages in a single conversation. Step 5. Try out Topline 24/7 AI. It's time to put it into action. Engage with your customers and leads and experience the convenience of having a 24/7 assistant at your disposal. Topline 24/7 AI offers several powerful configuration options to tailor your bot's behavior. Every message sent by the Topline bot includes thumbs up and thumbs down options for users to provide feedback. This invaluable feedback mechanism helps you refine your bot's responses, add frequently asked questions, and enhance its training. When Topline 24/7 AI is active and responding to a conversation, a timer will be displayed within the conversation box. This informs your contact that the bot is actively processing their messages. Step 6. Set up bot training. You can teach AI by providing content from your own website. Do it by entering your domain's exact URL on the bot training view. This process helps the AI become more knowledgeable and capable in a context that is relevant to your own online presence. You can also include FAQs to train the bot to handle missing information in a question. Step 7. Provide feedback. We value your input. As you use Topline 24/7 AI, please share your feedback with us. Your insights will help us continuously improve and customize this feature to meet your unique needs. Topline 24/7 AI is a game changer for enhancing customer interactions and communication efficiency. By following this step-by-step guide, you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your workflow and take full advantage of its capabilities.